Alright, my friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. I'm checking out this Hurran lead-free 4-inch basin faucet with pop-up drain. Comes with little instructions there. Should be fairly straightforward. Comes with this nice little bag here. Good protection on that. And that looks pretty cool. Nice black matte finish there. Hot and cold, little red and blue indicators. This looks pretty nice. Comes with our water hoses. And a little pop-up drain here. That is nice matte black finish there too. Okay, let's go install this and show you guys how it works. Hello friends, okay, here we go. So first I'm just gonna install this. Our faucet is out and our drain plug. So this is just gonna slide down there. Make sure that this washer here is right here. And you put that right down in the sink. Make sure everything's clean out of the sink. Get a paper towel or something. Wipe that up real good. There we are. Okay, and then this just goes in here. Should go right down in there nicely. Unless, what is holding us up here? Seems to be just a little bit big there. Okay, for whatever reason this had like a little edge here on there, so I just took my razor and just kind of scraped around there, and now it fits down there just fine. Okay, now we go underneath the sink. Okay, we are on a time clock. As you see, my things are dripping a little bit here, so this, I'm just going to put this pipe. Actually, we have our bottom seal first, so this one goes up towards the bottom here like that, and then you want to put this up there too, and that's going to screw up under there, and it's going to pull that down into place nicely. First of all, I want actually to get my other pipe on here, so that goes on here underneath there. And then we have this one that goes down like that onto there. And that screws down onto that like that. Okay, then we can tighten that down. Okay. Now that that's that, just kind of clean this up a little bit, get the goop off of there. Good to go. Now for this, we simply get the goop off of there too. Okay, now we'll just screw this up onto there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, so that's going to go up there like this. That top part should be snugging down. Onto there, and nice, tighten it up real good there. I don't want it leaking. There we are. Okay, so that's in. Now we should just be able to replace our faucet now. And with the faucet, we're just going to take these off, and these are going to go up underneath our sink there. So there's one, comes off nicely. Get the other one off, and we're going to go above the sink and place that down on top. Okay, so this can just go down right here. Make sure this is kind of cleaned off and smooth. And this goes down right on top of that, just like that. Looks great. Try to center those as much as possible. And then we go back underneath. Okay, there we are with those kind of on there. Make sure our sink is as straight as we can get it. Then I'm just kind of holding the faucet at the top, so when I push on this, it doesn't push it out. And just kind of tightening that down, not all the way. I want to get my other one on there first too. And then I want to go up top. And before I tighten those down, I want to make sure that that is centered as much as possible. Okay, that looks really good. So now that I'm happy with the centering, I can just tighten these down. Okay, there's one. Okay. Should be snug enough there, just hand tighten. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, next we attach our water lines. So this one's just going to go on the bottom here, and this is the hot water one on the left hand side. And as soon as I figure out which way this goes on there we are. And should just pretty much be good with hand tightening these, I think. So if it needs to be tightened more, I can go and do that. But I think just hand tightening this is plenty. Like I said, we can always tighten it more if need be, if it's leaking. Okay, now we just make sure the right one is our cold water. Okay, so our cold water, we're just going to attach this cold water one here because this is our dripper, dripping pretty good. That's alright, as soon as we get this on there, should end all our little dripping problems there. Eventually I need to replace these seals on these things, but that's okay for now. And then I can attach my hot water right here. And once again, I'm just kind of hand tightening these. And then if it needs to be, once I turn my water on, there's water coming out. I'll check for leaks if I need to. And back out my hot water here. Back out my cold water. And I'll probably just give these just a tiny little turn here. Just for good measure. Maybe like a quarter of a turn. Like I said, these don't need to be super tight. And then just check for drip, see if it's dripping. Doesn't appear to be. Pretty happy with that. You can go up top and check it out. Alright, so what I like to do is splash some water up here. Make sure it's not dripping down into this seal here, but that works. Seems to be working really well. And there we have it, my friends. No leaking at all. No drips underneath. Now we can just kind of clean up our sink. And I think it looks really nice here. We have our cold water here. I like how it's nice and high up. So, and this can turn around, obviously. So it's really elegant. And our hot water. Plenty of room for your hands to get under here. Just a nice little stream of water there, and turns off nice and smooth, no dripping. And we can see that our sink portion here, we want to set that and plug up our sink. We just press that and it fills up nicely. And if we want to drain it, same thing. So working really well. No drips, no leaks. Underneath looks good, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and it's just a nice, elegant piece here. Works really good. We're going with the matte black on pretty much all our finishes here in the bathroom. So nice and functional and working great. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.